Unboxing the Bose headphones, their noise cancelling, QuietComfort earbuds. Let's go. Right, so these are the headphones. I'm excited. Let's go. Ready? Fresh. I love that. Okay. Box is a bit thingy. I hope it's alright inside. Ooh, okay. That is professional. I like that. That looks really good. Looks really good. There they are. So that comes inside the box. Open that a bit. What's inside here? Okay, we got a USB to charge, obviously. So, got a USB to charge. What is it? It's a USB-C. Everything's going USB-C now. We have, I think they give you, okay, so we got 0 written on one and 2 plus. I don't know what that means, but probably I'll figure it out. What else is in? That's just the book. Anything else? I think that's about it, right? Yeah. Okay, so that's just a book. But yeah, that is it. We're about to open these up. You ready? Oh, there they are. Wow. Let me change the camera angle. That's how they're looking. That's how they look. Wow. Look at that. Just gonna pull one out. Let me try one on. This is my first time ever putting these in. Let's see how easy it is. Oh, super easy. Oh wow, I can hear something. Oh, the bass on this is amazing. What? Wow. Wow. Yo, so they're just giving me like a little preview of this cinematic and like you know in a cinema when it starts off, look, that's how it looks. Wow, the bass is insane. It's noise cancelling, but you can adjust everything. I highly recommend these. They're very good. They're very comfortable. You can't feel it in the ear. They look big, but I can't even feel it's there. The way it sits in the ear, that earbud. Let me put the other one on. Hang on. It's absolutely insane. They just snugly fit in. If I start shouting, it's because I can't hear. I can't lie, the left ear feels a bit like weird. Maybe that's why they've got different style ear for your eardrum. Everyone's got different eardrums. Oh, there's a little top nook thing. You just push that in just for security, just in case. But yo, these are comfortable. These are really comfortable. I kid you not. I really like the sound of them. But yeah, guys, that's the unboxing video of the Bose speakers. That's the unboxing video of the Bose headphones. I hope you enjoyed that video. Like, share, subscribe. Comment below. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.